Hey, thank you for joining us again. We're excited to continue to share these new technologies. It's going to be a fascinating next year as these technologies continue to grow exponentially and other entities and organizations begin to expand on this horizon of artificial intelligence.
I also want to thank you for the time you've taken to watch this course, to learn about artificial intelligence together with us. It's been such a fascinating journey watching ChatGPT come out last November and become one of the most widely used applications in the shortest period of time, and also just to kind of see how the world is reacting to artificial intelligence and learning more about it.
And it's going to be fascinating as we continue to explore new technologies. We've just barely touched the surface with ChatGPT and AI generated images. We're going to delve further into these topics and additional ones like video, video generated by AI. It's going to be a fascinating journey with you, and we welcome you and thank you for joining us with us.
That's right. We look forward to showing you new content, new information as it's released. These tools have been around for a long time, and you and I have talked about this, Warren, that artificial intelligence has actually been around for a while. You look at use cases in predictive texts like in Apple and the iPhone and those kinds of things, or in what show you should watch on Netflix. But this is the first time the world has kind of gotten the opportunity to play with generative AI, and that's thanks to tools like Midjourney, thanks to tools like ChatGPT, Google's Bard. And so this website and this course will be a continuously growing resource for you and for all of us as we continue to explore. And we're just grateful that you're here to explore together with us. So thank you once again. And we will see you around here at Tingenuity AI.